Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to draw a leaf. Here I have taken a green leaf and a dried yellow leaf. Step 1. Take a thin sheet of paper. We are going to place the leaf behind one by one. Okay guys, let's start tracing the leaf. I will teach you the details to be done after tracing to make the leaf look realistic. Step 2. Take a green color pencil and start tracing the leaf gently. Don't press the leaf too hard, otherwise the veins will break, and start tracing the leaf all over. So friends, what is the difficulty are you facing in drawing? Comment below and I will solve your worries. So half of the leaf is already done and I am going over the other half. Now take out the green leaf from behind. Step 3. Take an eraser and gently erase the outer areas of the leaf. Now I am going to take a pencil and draw an outline all around the leaf. What is the silliest thing you did in your art class in your childhood? Comment below. So I am almost done creating an outline. Don't miss out the stem. This outline gives a crisp look to your leaf. Step 4. Give a little shadow by shading lightly on one side of the leaf. This gives a 3D view to your leaf. Step 5. Now take a blending stump and gently blend the shadow to make the shadow nice and smooth. Let's zoom the leaf and see how it looks. Let's do the tracing for the yellow dry leaf. Follow the same steps. Trace the yellow leaf with a yellow color by gently holding the paper. I am trying to make a double shaded autumn kind of a leaf here. Now shade red color above the yellow one. You can see the veins of the leaf coming out. The leaf should not be shaken behind while tracing, as this will create irregular shape to the leaf. Take another green color and shade lightly in the middle. I made the second layer of red a little bit darker. Step 2. Give an outline with a pencil all around the leaf. Also give a shadow to the leaf. And gently smoothen the shadow with a blending stump. Do you like the leaf coming out? Comment below. Like and subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching.